Editing and customizing checkout page in Shopify is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. Let's start the process. Open Shopify in Google Chrome. It has many pages as you can see. Click on the online store. A pop-up menu will appear with many options. Click on the theme option. Theme page will appear with many themes. You can select any theme that you want. I will go with the first one. Click on the Customize button. Now the theme will open. Go to the search bar and select the checkout page. The checkout page will open as you can see. I have added my first t-shirt and given it the price and so on. Move ahead and click on Go to Theme Setting link. Here we can customize our checkout page. We can change the logo there. If you want to change the color, then click on Color option and then scroll down. After this, select your required color which you want. As you can see, I have changed the background color. After making changes, page looks like this. Go back to the home page and move to Set option. There will open all the pages. Click on Checkout page. Here we can edit our checkout page. It will ask us many things. We have to change it according to our business. In the customer contact method, you can select email or phone number and email. The next option is about customer information. Fill it. There are many things about company name, address lines, customer name, and order processing. Select all the options of your choice and edit according to your need. Click on Save button. In this way, we can customize and edit the checkout page in Shopify easily.